In simple terms, the Internet of Things refers to an ongoing trend of connecting all kind of physical objects to the internet, especially ones that you might not expect. This can mean everything from common household objects like refrigerators and light bulbs to business assets like shipping labels and medical devices to unprecedented wearables, smart devices, and even smart cities that only exist because of IoT. More specifically, IoT refers to any system of physical devices that receive and transfer data over wireless network without human intervention. This is made possible by integrating simple computing devices with sensors in all kind of objects. For instance, a smart thermostat, smart usually means IoT, can receive location data from your smart car while you are commuting, which it uses to adjust your home's temperature before you arrive. This is achieved without your intervention and produces a more desirable result than if you manually adjusted the thermostat before leaving for the day or after you returned. We will be using the IoT dashboard to remotely access the GPS coordinates and display the same on Google Map. So, we have chosen Blynk for the same. Blynk is an Internet of Things platform designed to make the development and implementation of smart IoT devices quick and easy. It can be used to read, store, and visualize sensor data and control hardware remotely. The Internet of Things has been all the buzz lately, and more devices are being talking to the internet every day. With the rise of such amazing technology, the risk of security has also increased substantially. Some of the major concerns in IoT are: if IoT devices are sending your data to the internet, the communication needs to be closed and encrypted, which cannot be possible without using a dedicated and closed server, which is really hard to manage. The IoT devices also need to be responsive, and again, that is not possible without a server with low latency and high responsiveness. In IoT, the platform needs to be compatible with many different types of hardware architecture and devices so that it doesn't restrict its users to a single type of hardware with limited capabilities. Keeping in view the problems mentioned above, Blynk is the perfect solution for all these problems. Blynk consists of the following major components. The mobile app developed by Blynk works as a control panel for visualizing and controlling your hardware. It is available for both Android and iOS. The app offers a very productive interface and various different widgets for different purposes. The most amazing component of the Blynk platform, which makes it all possible, is the Blynk server. Blynk offers a secure, responsive, and centralized cloud service through its server, which allows all of this communication between the devices. The Blynk server is also available as open source, so you can literally make your own server and make it even more secure with a little tinkering. The key feature of the Blynk platform, which makes it scalable and amazing, is the Blynk library. The Blynk library makes it possible to connect your hardware and get it up and running in a blink. The support for multiple hardware devices, including Arduino, ESP8266, and Raspberry Pi is included in the library, and it also makes it possible to connect with hardware through many different ways of communication like Wi Fi, Bluetooth, BLE, USB, and GSM.